Okay, what's up everyone? Welcome to the PN Pacific Capital live streams. This is your host, Jared, tuning in for the session. Thank you whoever liked this stream. Appreciate it. Yeah, anyways, I'm in on a buy. I got in on a buy a couple of hours ago. I think 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago. Anticipating volume to drop bullish, but you know. Yeah, before we do anything, we're just gonna check Forex Factory if we have any high impact news coming out. So guys, we have chats from Zoom, from Discord, and also on YouTube. So wherever you feel like it's convenient for you to ask questions, and just ask away. So it's gonna do a quick, because we are approaching the end of the week now. It's gonna see what's happening on the weekly time frame. Now I really think that we could potentially drive back up, potentially closing on the weekly time frame. That is, we are currently trading below this previous support area that was formed on the 3rd of April. So we have 14 hours left for this weekly candle to close, and I really believe that we could potentially do a bottom work and potentially retrace out, close somewhere and back above 1970 ideally. So you know, for this session, and if I do come back during another session, it's going to be looking for buys for this potential retracement back up to zones, any zone above 1970. So that's the weekly time frame. Looking at the daily time frame, we have been extremely bearish since Tuesday, but yesterday's candle kind of closed a little bit above this previous support area that was formed on the 28th of March. So we had this area get tested again on the 30th of March, and then on the 3rd of April, and we pretty much tested this area again yesterday. So it looks like this daily support area is pretty much holding after breaking through all these zones. You could potentially have a nice retracement coming up at this point, but we'll see. If we do continue bullish on the daily time frame, I'm expecting price to come up ideally towards the 1970 level, and if we have more bullish pressure, then we could potentially correct yesterday's moves and potentially come up to the 1990 levels. So that would be ideal. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have been bullish since creating the support level area over here. I think we could definitely start driving bullish right now. There we go. Huge bearish momentum yesterday since yesterday's Asian session. So yeah, we could definitely correct some of these moves. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we are breaking above the previous 1-hour candle. I think we could definitely start driving up on the 1-hour time frame coming up. So let's just get rid of the zones on the high time frames. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, if we do continue bullish, expecting price to come up to this resistance area. We you know, look at this candle during Asian session pretty much ripped up, breaking above this support area on the 30-minute time frame at 1959. Pretty much trading above the 1960 area right now. I did have an entry right here during really anticipating this price to continue pushing bullish. Initially I had stops down here, but then I reduced my stops to above. Once this candle started closing bullish, I significantly reduced my stops up here. So we're pretty much running at like 10 pips right now. I think I'm gonna move my stops to break even on this one. Yeah, so running pretty nicely right now. Stops at break even, and I could potentially get like 20 pips out of this. So pretty much looking to secure profits soon. I think we're going to secure profits right here. Yeah, actually I'm gonna secure right there, secure profits at like 12 pips, because you know what could happen, we could definitely have price retracing. So secure profits at 8 pips. If we do have a nice candle closure above this level, then we're going to look to see if we can get in on some more buys. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, we also have the support, minor support area forming at 1960.50 right here. And on the 30-minute time frame, we have support at 1962. So we are at a pretty interesting level right now. We've already secured profits, pretty much just chilling at this point. Yeah, we've secured $98 already. We have some partials running at this point. Probably gonna take everything out once we tap into this 1969.50. Yeah, this is gonna be our overall target if this current trade continues. Great. Yeah, we've already secured profits on this one. Ooh, look at this shit. Amazing, guys. It's running pretty nicely right now. Shogun 9 say, yo, what do you expect gold price to be when London session opens? Well, bro, looking to the left, we have clean traffic to the left over here, so I'm expecting some of these moves to be corrected. I got it on an entry right over here, anticipating volume to continue bullish. So pretty much running pretty nicely right now. I secured some profits at like 11 pips right here, so I'm really anticipating this move to continue pushing. We're gonna see how this 30-minute candle closes, and then we'll see if we can get some more entries. Yeah, but mainly overall buys for this session is buys. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get everything out over here. Yeah, I just took everything out right here at like 21 pips. Yeah, we're pretty much up $133 for the day, which is great. And at this point, we're just gonna do fresh analysis. Shogun said, what do you expect the highest point to be? I'm trying to figure out when to sell my position. When to sell my 228 position I still hold. I was thinking about 1975 today. Bro, I mean, you got in a sell at like 2008? Holy shit, bro. I wouldn't know, bro. 1975, yeah, price could come up to 1975, but we also have a whole number in 1970, so yeah, I think 1975 or potentially, yeah, 1975, you have this resistance here. Price could potentially come out to this level, or even this previous support area over here, which is like 1974. So it's up to you, bro. So we took 2 trades, 1 trade already for the day, and yeah, so just going to put it up 21 pips. Put 21 pips on the stream. So first trade, and we're going to look to see if we can get in on another trade. Yeah, we'll see how this 30-minute candle closes. I think we could definitely have further bullish moves over here. Shogun, you know, if I were you, I'd just close everything out, bro. 2008, man. I don't know how long you've been holding that sell for, but I mean, that's pretty brave, bro. What chart are you setting up? Bro, gold, bro. But amazing, man. Amazing trade if you really did. Since 4 days. Well, man, it's Friday now, so you might as well just close everything out, because you never know what could happen over the weekend. Gaps has been a frequent thing on gold, whether it's gapping up or gapping down. So thank you. The dollar goes strong, and I didn't know. Yes, that's what yes, the dollar is pretty strong right now, so that's why this gold is pretty much falling. But as usual, we could definitely have some sort of correction. You know, it's been falling since last week. Yeah, they did start falling since last week. Yeah, it's been falling since last week. So I've already taken 1 trade on stream. Just gonna do some fresh analysis. Shogun 9 is a definite closing today. Nice, bro. So just gonna start our top 10 analysis on the 4 time frame. Now we have 2 hours 40 minutes until this 4 candle closes. Yeah, it's pretty tricky at this point, because we have some strong bearish momentum since last week, and you know, we have a new low forming on the 4 time frame. You know, if we do have some sort of resistance forming on the 4 time frame, then I could possibly be looking for sells. But you know, dropping down to the 1 hour time frame, we have this minor resistance level forming on the 2 p.m. hour candle, 2 p.m. my time. Currently pushing bullish at this point. Yeah, if you do continue bullish, and we have clean traffic to the left coming up, so yeah. So I think looking at the 1 hour time frame for sells, we're gonna look for sells below 1962.50. For buys, you know, lots of potential for buys. We just have to wait for some good confirmations. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, yeah, we have this 30-minute candle closing in the next 10 minutes. We'll see how this plays out. Yeah, we'll see how this 30-minute candle closes, man. I think we could have some nice momentum coming in today. Looking at Forex Factory, we have Powell speaking tonight, 1 a.m. We also have retail sales for CAD. We also have this FOMC member Bowman speaking at 10:45. Not too sure how it's gonna affect gold, but yeah, we'll see. Good economic books. I don't know. I haven't read any economic books. Holy shit, look at this. This thing is ripping now. Go. Holy shit, this thing is actually ripping. I made 17% with you on Wednesday. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Let me understand price action clearly. Check babypips.com, get a mentor, and show up to the charts every day. Holy shit, this thing is actually just ripping towards the highs now. Man, if I would have held, I would be significantly up at like 40 pips right now. Oh well. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, at this point, we're pretty much staying away from the charts. We've already taken 20 pips from the markets, 21 pips. Left a whole lot on the table. Really should have waited to see how this 30-minute candle closes. That would be something. Do you have any Bitcoin? No, I don't have any Bitcoin. Any advice for traders doing finite accounts? All the best, bruh. Finding accounts, finding challenges are pretty difficult to be taking on, but you know, I think so. We have the new 30-minute candle opening right now. It's pretty much retracing. Holy shit! Yeah, at this point, I'm pretty much staying away from the charts. I mean, staying away. I'm not gonna be taking any trades. We'll see if we retrace down and form some sort of support. As long as we respect 1963 680 and we form some sort of support, we're gonna see if we can retest the highs right here. Amazing. I actually have my this thing is pretty much retracing at this point now. What is the time frame? Well, I have gold 1 hour time frame on this side and a 30-minute time frame on this side. So I was winning, got some capital, but my account almost got blown this week. What do I do? You shouldn't put yourself in a position where your account is about to get blown. Practice your risk management. Don't risk more than 1 or 3% per trade. If you're going to deposit money into your personal broker, deposit money that you're willing to lose or something that you're comfortable with. You don't want to deposit too much, which would turn out to be outside of your risk threshold mentally. So, you know, just work with an amount you're willing to lose on like a daily basis. And then you can slowly increase your risk tolerance the more you get into this. What's your advice for overthinking and trading? That's actually a very good question. Keep yourself busy. Keep yourself busy with other things. Don't let trading be your only source of income. I've always said this: you really can't expect trading to be your main source of income if you're only starting out trading. You should already If you don't have a job yet, go get a job. If you're still in school, focus on school. But if you have that entrepreneurial spirit in you, I suggest you start some other form of business and have trading as one of the vehicles that would be a source of capital for you in the long run, but not right now. So basically, overthinking is try to keep yourself preoccupied with other stuff. Once you shut down your computer, just move away. And also 1 or 2 trades a day. So we've already taken our first trade. Got like 21 pips. So is gold correlated to DXY? Yeah, I can say that. DXY increases, gold drops, and vice versa. Gonna set this on out today and start again on Monday. Yeah, I'll probably do that too. I'm pretty much out for the week. Significantly out for the week. I mean, not significantly. Haven't really taken that much trades for the week, but I think I've won all my trades actually. Only one break-even trade for this week. Let's see. Oh no, I started the week off with a loss, small loss, and then ended the week off significantly in profits. So yeah, we'll see how this week goes. Let's see what's happening on the 50-minute time frame. We could potentially get a trade on the 50-minute time frame too. Yeah, I think 50-minute time frame is we could potentially get a trade in 50-minute time frame, potentially. What about the 5-minute time frame? Yeah, even the 5-minute time frame looks pretty good. Pretty good. How to grow a $100 account? Any tips? Risk 50 cents a trade. Grow it up to 150, then risk $1 a trade. Grow it up to $500 and risk $2 a trade. I mean, I'm just saying. I don't know. Why are you not comfortable with GBPJPY? It's not that I'm not comfortable with GBPJPY. It's just that I rather wait for things to set up on gold rather than GBPJPY. Gold has a lot of volume in it, and with my style of trading, I like volume in a sense that if you're gonna make money, I want us to make money quick, and if our trade is invalid, I want my trade to be invalid quick so I can move on to other stuff, close out my computer and go to some other stuff outside of the charts. Guys, I don't sit behind my charts the whole day. My streams, if you go back to my streams, they're like 3 hours maximum. It's usually 80% of the time, it's usually less than 2 hours. So I don't like working for like an hour, less than 2 hours. If I get more than that, if I start going above the 2 hour mark, I pretty much get like I get burnt out. So I forgot what the question was. Which circumstances do you take a second trade? It's a good question. If I like it, if I like what I see, then I want to take a second trade. If I don't like what I see, then, or like, if the first trade was taken based on anticipation, the second trade will be based upon confirmation. So that's the only instance when I get a second trade on the stream. Archie Black asks, are you still considering having a simulation over the weekend? No, Archie Black. Maybe next weekend. Next weekend we're gonna have a simulation. This weekend gonna be preoccupied. Have one of my nephew's birthday coming up, so I'm gonna be helping out with that. But next weekend, I'm also looking to get a new Windows computer so we can have simulations. I can't really do much with my MacBook. But yeah, next weekend definitely we'll make that a priority. If we do a simulation, then we're gonna do a simulation of last week from Monday to Friday, because we didn't really take any trades last week, so that's what we're gonna do. Any news today? No, not really. London session looks good. Yeah, it definitely looks good. We're looking good for summer buys towards the highs, but yeah, we'll see how things play out with this one. Are you going to be here for Powell speaking? Nah. Nah, that's gonna be 1 a.m. my time, so I don't think I'm gonna be up for this. Probably gonna go to bed early tonight. So we have the new 50-minute candle open right now. Let's go to dry bearish. See what's happening on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, we'll see. What do you think of ICT? Man, I get this question almost every day. I have no idea. Which pairs do you trade the most? Gold. And I love gold, bro. Gold has been good to me. Gold has been good to me, so not looking to trade any other pair. If you had to choose another pair, well, what would it be? GJ. I'll probably trade GJ. Yeah, GJ has some nice structure in it. Silver has some good structure. I just have to figure out how the position and sizing works on silver. What is your opinion about crude oil trading? My opinion about crude oil trading? Crude oil has some nice structure on it. Heavily fundamentally driven. I think it's a good commodity to trade on a swing trading basis. So yeah, that's what I think. But I haven't looked at crude oil since 2020, to be honest. Yeah, we could have a nice drive bullish in this one. What do I do when I find a set of the Fitzman system, but I already traded 2 times that day? Do I ignore it? Yes. Ignore it. If you already traded 2 times that day, I mean, I'm kidding. Up to you, bro. If you want to take it, take it. As long as you're cool with taking it, as long as you're cool with the profits you made, and as long as if you hadn't made profits with the previous 2 trades, just as long as you don't risk your overall profits, and as long as you don't make the first 2 trades, you had losses the first 2 trades. So nobody wants to learn anymore. Just trade signals and stupid questions. Yeah, bro. There's a lot of people doing signals these days. I might do my very own signal channel later on, but not looking at it right now. Not looking into it right now. How much percentage was your best trade ever? I think it was like 6%. I wonder how many subscribers we have, guys. It's the 19th of May. We have almost 450 subscribers. I really want us to target 500 subscribers by the end of the month. So hopefully we can get a winning trade and have someone buy our subscribers. So guys, we have 8 minutes left until this 50-minute candle closes. This 30-minute candle closes also. This 1-hour candle closes. Usually I take a trade on the 1-hour time frame and see if prices drive bullish, but we're gonna wait on the lower time frames. Really want to see how this 50-minute candle closes, and hopefully we can get a nice support forming on the 50-minute time frame. Then we're gonna look to take a trade, just as long as we don't break below 1962 right here. So That's what we're waiting on. A nice support to form on the 50-minute time frame, and then we're going to look to take longs to retest the highs at what's this price? 1968.70. Yeah, we'll see. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna call it a session now. My barber is here to cut my hair, so I am going to catch you guys later. I'm going to update how this trade goes on the Signal chat on Discord. So, I mean, if we do enter a trade, then I'm gonna put it on our Signal chat. Oh, by the way, yeah, I do have a Signal chat. It's just very private right now. Yeah, we'll see. So the plan for this one is, if we have some sort of support level, support forming on the 50-minute time frame on the formation of a bullish 50-minute candle, we're going to execute a buy, see if we can retest the highs at 1968.70. That's the plan. But we've already got on our winning trade, so I'm gonna call it a session at this point. Cheers, bro. Shogun 9. Thank you for tuning in. Archie Black. Cheers, guys.